Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is your chef from Guru's Cooking.in with
Chicken 65, and the secret has now been revealed by Ching's. So enjoy. Friends will grab 400 grams of boneless breast chicken pieces which have been washed. To this we'll be adding in 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. For aroma and taste, we'll be adding in 15 to 20 fresh curry leaves. And now the secret, Ching 65 masala, 1 whole pouch. So please sprinkle this masala all over. And once you have done this, we'll smear it well and mix it with our hands. Please don't try to use a spoon, because it's very essential that all the masala and the mixture incorporates well into the chicken, and that is what offers for that ultimate taste. But before we fry this, we'll pop in an egg. An egg is being dropped here for 2 reasons. The first reason is it will offer you taste, and the second reason is because it will seal all the juices inside and keep them intact within the chicken when you leave it for marination next. So please make sure before you add in the egg, you mix it well, and after the adding of egg also you mix it well. And now we will keep it aside for 10 minutes, friends, at room temperature to marinate. It's been 10 minutes now, and once you extract this, it is time for us to now deep fry this chicken. So I've taken a small frying pan to which I've added enough oil, and the heat is at medium. So when the heat is enough, you will be adding in the chicken pieces. I'll give you 2 tips here to get the output at the best possible way. The first hint or tip for you is, in the initial phase, keep the flame to medium or low, because it will cook your chicken from the outside and crunchy it will be, but from the inside it will be raw, which is not what you want, isn't it? So keep the flame at low to medium in the beginning. At the end you can increase the flame to high if you wish. That is the first tip. The second tip that I want to offer you is that make sure that you don't add all the chicken pieces at once, because it is 400 grams and that is a lot of chicken. It will bring the boiling point of your oil to less, and henceforth the oil will become a little colder than before, and it will take a lot of time for the chicken to cook. So cook in 2 batches. So I added 200 grams right now, and once I cook this and extract it, when it becomes golden brown like this, we are done. But then I've got more 200 grams which I'll be deep frying after I have extracted this batch onto a clean kitchen towel. So this is the 200 grams, and I'll cook another 200 grams now. That is how I'll get crunchy, delicious Ching's secret Chicken 65. Thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe to my channel, friends. Have fun.